In this video, we'll walk through how to assemble the Norco Beechwood 2-section treatment table step by step. Before assembly, carefully unpack the table and confirm that all parts and hardware are included. Inspect for any visible damage before getting started. Place the table base upside down on a soft, stable surface to protect the finish during assembly. Place the first 2 table legs into position at one end of the table. Important: make sure the installation holes on each leg are facing the inside, toward the matching leg across from it. Once the legs are oriented correctly, align the installation holes with the angled metal bracket. Pass each bolt through a washer, then through the angled bracket and into the table leg. Tighten the bolts with the included hex key. Repeat this process with the other pair of legs. If the built-in nut inside the leg is slightly misaligned, use a flathead screwdriver to adjust the angle until the bolt threads in smoothly. Next, attach the 2 end support bars between the inner sides of the table legs. Important: ensure the shelf bracket screw hole is oriented inward and positioned on the side of the table base opposite the leg ends. Secure each side with the included bolts, then tighten with the hex key. Now attach the long center beam to the short support beams on each end of the table. Insert the bolts and tighten each one with the included hex key. Place the shelf into position and secure it using the enclosed Phillips head screwdriver. Drive the screws through the L-shaped brackets into the shelf and into the end support bars. This step may require 2 people for best results. Once assembly is complete, carefully turn the table upright, being mindful to support the head section. Then place the table where it will be used and properly discard all packaging materials. To raise the backrest, hold it firmly with both hands and lift to the desired position. To lower it, support the backrest with one hand and rotate the release handle downward. Then, guide the backrest downward to the desired angle. Once the backrest reaches the intended position, release the handle to engage the automatic locking mechanism. And that's how to assemble the Norco Beechwood 2-section table. For complete operating instructions, warnings, care information, and maintenance guidance, refer to the full instruction manual. For more information, visit ncmedical.com or contact your authorized healthcare reseller.